Today I'm going to show you an incredibly useful skill, how to remove an unwanted fence from your photo using Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform your images, clearing away distracting fences for a cleaner, more professional look. Whether you're sprucing up a family photo or prepping your latest landscape shot for social media, this technique will give your pictures that polished edge. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to open up Photoshop. Go ahead and launch the program on your computer. If you're new to Photoshop, don't worry, just look for the familiar blue icon and double-click. Once Photoshop is open and ready to go, it's time to bring in your image. Click on File at the top left corner, then choose Open, and select the picture with the fence you want to remove. Take a moment to scan over your image so you can clearly see where the fence is and what you'd like to erase. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. Photoshop has a handy feature called the Remove tool, specifically designed for tasks just like this. You'll find it in the toolbar, usually on the left side of your workspace. If you don't see it right away, it might be nested with other tools like the Spot Healing Brush or Patch tool. Just click and hold on those tool icons until you spot the Remove tool. Selecting the right tool is key. The Remove tool is more intelligent than simply erasing. It's designed to carefully reconstruct the background behind objects you paint over. Before we start working on the fence itself, there's a setting we need to tweak. At the top of your screen, you'll see a little checkbox labeled Remove after each stroke. It's normally turned on, which means Photoshop tries to fix things after every line you paint. But for removing a whole fence, it's better to turn this option off. Simply click the box to deselect it. This gives you more control, letting you paint over the whole fence before Photoshop does its magic. Think of it like prepping all your ingredients before you start cooking. It helps the process go smoother and avoids inconsistent results. With your tool and settings ready, it's time for the main event, painting over the fence. This part might take a few moments, and that's totally okay. Using your mouse or stylus, gently trace over the fence, covering it as precisely as you can. Don't worry if your first strokes aren't perfect. Take your time, zoom in if you need more detail, and adjust your brush size as you go for tighter areas. Imagine you're erasing a scratch from a treasured photo. It's worth being patient here for a great outcome. As you paint over the fence, Photoshop analyzes the surrounding area and prepares to refill the space with matching background details. Once the whole fence is covered, simply release your mouse and watch as Photoshop works its magic. Sometimes the program might take a few seconds to fill in the area, depending on the size and complexity of your fence. If you notice any spots that don't look quite right, you can always repeat the process, painting over those areas again for a smoother result. Cleaning up after the initial removal is perfectly normal. Think of it like touching up paint on a wall after the first coat. And that's it, you've just removed a fence from your image, turning a cluttered scene into a clean and beautiful photo. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, go ahead and give this video a like. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.